very first thing that comes into our mind when we are about to travel to a new country is the cost of living. Though you can go and check in the Google, it will show you a kind of report where you can see each categories. Until and unless you don't speak to someone personally, you are not very satisfied. So here I am today to help you guys with the cost of living in Abidjan. I have made a list of different categories that I will be speaking about. This video can be a little bit lengthy, so if you are here to really understand the cost of living in Abidjan, if you are really planning to settle here or travel here for any purpose, it will be very useful for you. So just sit back and watch this video till the end. Bonjour, I am back with another video today. My name is Tanushree, an Indian living in Abidjan, and so I am going to speak about cost of living in Abidjan today. So I will be telling you approximate value of different things which cost in Abidjan. Food, transportation, clothing, market and restaurants. So let's see all of these one by one. So as I'm explaining it, you will also see values in INR, dollar and CFA. So that anyone who is outside the country and not in India as well, they can understand in terms of dollars. And if you are in India, you can easily understand in terms of INR. So when I compare different values in terms of India, I see that there's a huge difference between Ivory Coast and India in terms of cost of living, almost more than 100% in Ivory Coast. So if you are going to a basic restaurant here to have your meal or to just have something, make sure that you will spend minimum of 2000 CFA. I'm taking in general a normal restaurant. I'm not taking a very extremely good restaurant, extremely expensive restaurant. But if you go to a normal restaurant, then you will spend minimum of 2000 CFA up to maximum of 25,000 CFA. I'm talking about a single person or maximum 2-person value. And I'm sure that if you go to a restaurant, you will not just take only one thing. So the next thing is the market. Market includes everything like bread, sugar, rice, wheat, whatever you need at home to cook. So this one, the minimum you can spend is 35,000 CFA. Now there are local markets where the price range is different, and there are supermarkets. Supermarket is comparatively expensive than a normal market, like a local market. So you will be spending a minimum of 35,000 CFA for yourself or your family. This is the minimum that you can spend. So coming to the transportation, there are different means of transportation that you can take here. There's red taxi, there's Boro Boro, which is yellow taxi. There are buses. So it really depends on your choice. What do you want to take in everyday transport? So I will just tell you a basic price of taxi which you can pay here. So if you are taking a share taxi, the minimum you will pay is 200 CFA, and you will be sharing it with other people. And make sure that this sharing taxi doesn't cover all the places in Abidjan. So there are specific places that you want to travel. For this you will have to hire a red taxi, which is used mostly by the people. Red taxi, the minimum you will be paying is 1000 CFA. Sometimes it might happen if the distance is very less, like for about 500 meters or 1 kilometers that you want to travel, you can bargain for 500 CFA. The minimum charge starts for 1000 CFA in the taxi, and now depending on how far you're going, it increases. Coming to the buses prices are completely different. It depends also on where you want to go. The buses also travels from Abidjan to other up countries. So now coming to the child care, for your child there are different categories of school. Depending on your choice, you can admit them there. There are international schools, there are Ivorian schools, there are French schools. So everything, the price are different. Now for the small babies, there are kindergarten. So the child care per month starts between a minimum of 50,000 CFA until 90,000 CFA. So depending on the choice that you make, you will be spending somewhere around 50,000 to 90,000 CFA. So the clothing ranges also differs. If you go to a supermarket or to a brand, for sure it will be expensive. You can also buy from small boutiques. There are clothes available in the markets as well. So it depends. If you're going to a local market, you will not find it expensive. You will find like minimum of 1500 to 2000 sefa the clothes start. So if you go in a mall to like do your shopping, then minimum you will be spending is around 7000 to 10,000 sefa for one piece of clothes. So coming to the rent, which I think is extremely important to understand. So in Abidjan there are different areas. Depending on the area you will be paying the rent. The areas which are near to the international airport where many expats like live, this area is expensive compared to other areas. So make sure that if you are living in the center of the city or in an area where most expats live, you will be paying minimum of 250-300,000 for a one bedroom apartment. This is what you will be paying minimum. Now if you are okay to live in an area which is not in the center of the city, which is other than this area, then your rent value decreases. Price that you can pay is 150,000 for a one bedroom apartment. So this is how prices differs here for the rent in Abidjan. So the next category is salon or spa. If you're someone who is very much regular to going to do your nails, hair, face cleaning and all, there are different salons. There are local salons everywhere. The price is different. I personally, for my nails, I go a normal salon and it cost me 7,000 minimum. Now there are also local markets where you can go to do your nails or hair. If you are someone who does braiding and all, you can also go to a local market. In local market the prices are even lesser. So if you're an expat, for sure you will be going to a salon which is not far from your place. So the normal salon, it will cost you a minimum of 7,000. So apart from this, there are different prices for if you want to keep a maid in your house, to clean your house, to take care of the baby. This also differs. It depends on your requirement. What you want him or her to do, this completely depends. It is different in different areas as well. So this is it for today's video. I hope this video was informative and I hope you now have some idea about cost of living in Abidjan. If you have any other doubts regarding the cost of living in Abidjan, you can always connect with me on my Instagram handle, or else you can drop a comment in the comment section below. I will be glad to help you out. So I have also prepared a complete playlist on Explore Abidjan where you can see different areas, different places of Abidjan, and I hope this video was useful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also hit the notification bell on. I will see you guys very soon with my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.